guys, my name is Ahmed and today I will tell you how to create a video on Canva. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like to my videos. And I have also recently created a new channel, Roft Plays. Go subscribe it, the link would be in the description. So let's begin the video. So first you have to open the Canva Pro. I will give the link of Canva Pro and it would work normally like the Canva Pro works, and over in this you can use the Pro features, the Canva Pro features. So in order to create a video, you have to open the Canva, and here are some options. You have to click the video, or you can even create a design. I will choose create a design, and over here just go in video. Okay, now enter, just taking time. Yep, and here we click the video. Now here it is almost done. Now here it will take you to the untitled design. Now here you have to choose the template, and the template, I think so you can make an outro over here. So I will just take this one, and here is the like and subscribe and thanks for watching. Now you can add an element over here. Like I would just add the element, I can just go from the uploads, and I have already uploaded some media. Here is my channel logo. I will just put it over here. This is here, and now here you can put any of your videos or even the banner or anything you want. You can give the anything like this, like you can give the previous video, or just you can even put nothing over here. Like I just put this tech tutorials. Now it is almost done. Now it's done. Now you can add anything over here. Like I will show you some features of Canva Pro, like London is a font that is for the Pro. Look, you can here see the crown, and now I can use it because look, here it is London. I will choose this as also London. Look, now you can just do the Canva Pro things, like there are fonts, there are many things, there are templates, there are logos, and there are many things that you can use in the Pro. So don't forget to check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This was all for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.